Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk about the Leetcode question number 10, regular expression match. Look at the question first. Give an input string and a pattern. Implement a regular expression match with support dot and star. This is a harder question. So it basically say if you give you a pattern dot, then can match any single character. So if A, B, then you have A dot, it match. And give a star match 0 or more preceding element. So it actually say if empty you have a and then empty AB, then also it is match. So look here, this is the example. In here, by the way, we look up here. The matching should consider entire input string, not a partial. So actually, you definitely loop the whole string, and this is a typical DP question. And they already give you assumption, so string will be all small letter P empty, contain only long characters, and only accept these two characters, dot and star. So look, they have an example, but this example actually already give you a hint how to write how to compare it when you write your DP. So if it is A, B, then definitely no match. So you will loop a flow string A, then you say find the pattern A. You see string, you have an array, definitely a matrix. So 0 and 0, this is a match. But once you go to 1, and here doesn't have anything, it won't going to match, so return false. In here you have A and A star, because star means 0 or more of a preceding element, so you actually could add a in here, so A. So once you get A, when you see star, you will see previous element. If it is previous, it could be any previous, this A matches previous element, so this is also, it is from, so it's also return true. And star means any character, so A with the star could match, and this star means you see means 0 or more, star any of a character dot. You see stars any character of dot, so this definitely going to match. If you look at here, so it actually already give a hint. So if you see character not equal, it is fine, you return false. But if you meet a star, you need to think of the preceding. It is same or preceding is dotted, definitely you could say the match. So you have two conditions, you could move back forwards, 0 or more. And this another condition. So we just write the code, then we start talk about it. Like this is a DP question, so I definitely need a DP in matrix. So I'm going to first get the length of the string. Then we have a DP. We just need to find is true or false, so we have an array of this one. P equal to new. This fixed array, just type, and then you have we need to fill out the first one, so we fill out the 0 if string is empty and the pattern also is empty, so then you return true. here we find out the first law. And we need to think about A star and B star, this special condition. You see, if you meet A star, because you see, like this one, A star, AA, then will be true. Then you loop it. Because the 0, 0 position already filled, so start with 1. Start at 1, but you compare, see if this character only is a star, then you're going to update it. Because character means 0 or more, so you could go counter backwards 2 to compare. And by default it is false, so you only update this one by this one. If this is true, then will be updated to true. Then we start a loop again. We need to consider 2 cases. If one is AA or and string is A and the pattern is dot, and string is and A and the pattern is A, so they are the same character. One is dot, or they are same. If they are the same, then just update the DP to the diagram backwards. And if not this situation, then you need to consider if it is star. If it is a star, then you just like this one, go back to character compare. Take the value from back towards, because it could be 0 or more, so just but yeah, this is not finished yet, then you also need to consider it. So if this to false, but if it's true is fine. If this to false, you also could be conditioned, because it is if it is a dot, then you need to span the scenario. Then you tip on up low result. This one. And here, if this is true, then just stay. If this is false and this condition is true, and either of them is true, either will take this one, and this is like this one. The part P is AX star, but the string is AXY. Did you see? So if but this could be represent, so this is could be represent any character. So then you delete, then you compare with the upper one, then you delete this one, compare these two, AX and AX is match or not, and the result, but AX and AX compare, it is stopped in here, because you are in here, then you say, because this is star, and then you go backwards, because the previous is equal, then you compare if this one match. If this is true, then this will be updated true, but if this is this is false, then this will stay false. If this actually just to this one, if not none of them condition can, none of them, not inside here, not the star, then else should be dpi and j, else will be false. Finished. Once you loop, then whole result finished. Result finished. Okay. Loop finish. Return true.这是乱 submitted. C. Okay. So return true. Okay. AA position. Let's look up what happened. So if from here it is AA will return false, I think. If I go, I pick up this. Return true. Loop one return true. After you finish, you just return M and N. Okay. A star is no. So just look ahead. If it is we are fill out the first row, P equal to character I minus 1 if star are going to update the I loop flow I and 2I. This is means this one. String is empty. String is empty, but pattern is A star and A star or A star B star. Then it will be updated to true. And if I equal to 1, I less equal to string dot less I plus plus, then go deep j equal each row j is the row, j is pattern dot length j plus plus. If p character minus 1 is dot and the pattern in this one and also string is 1, then you return this one ij, then go diagram up. Otherwise just the star, so this was the complete. P at the character minus 1 is star. With star need update the D. P I J equal to DP. J need a minus 2 because the star can go backwards to compare. And P, if it is false, I also think about if P at the character J minus 2 equal to dot, or P at the J equal to 2 minus S dot character. then dp, then I need up if condition it is this condition dpi and j equal to dp ij or dpi j. This is finished. Then else if it's finished, then we are going to else if the rest dpij then equal to false. Oh, what happened? I return. What happened? Then afterwards, finish the loop, then return dp and j. Suppose is correct. I return a false. Is in here. Here. You see, this pattern is in here. Yes. Finish it. Thank you for watching.